It's your family. You deal with it. Marital fight has been around since the dawn of man, and it's not going anywhere. But what if you're a next-gen in-law working in the family business? Well, in that case, there is no, it's your family, you deal with it. Because part of your job is dealing with it and dealing with everything else that goes on in the family business. Look, working in a family business can be a wonderful thing, but everyone needs to go with certain expectations.
I can trust you, right?
No.
Sure, but on money stuff, I can trust you?
No.
Otherwise, it can all go south quickly.